Hey guys, Wandering Shell here. Once again, we're doing another D&D character. This time, we chef. It's a chef. A cook of some sort. I thought he was hilarious when I saw him, and all I hear is "suck your blood" and all that Frenchy stuff. Him yelling and screaming, and especially with him with the frying pan and all that. It just reminds me of, like, if you ever seen the Disney movie, the Pixar movie Ratatouille, and, like, they're chasing the rats and stuff. This is what it reminds me of. And the whole entire time, I'm just thinking that, even though he's supposed to be, like, an adventurer and all that, that's why I gave him brown boots. But I literally thought, that's all I thought was, him chasing like a rat or something in the kitchen. Because it's like interrupting his dinner service or something. I don't know. I'm literally giving this guy a backstory, and it made me laugh every time I was painting him. And it was a lot of times I was painting him, because he has like little parts here and there. And especially he has like a belt with spoons and whatnot, and spatulas. Spoons and spatulas. And then his giant knife on the back of him. Ugh, it's too funny. Too funny. Yeah, I couldn't... So I did the tones, but it didn't look right. I literally was off camera for all of it. And not even like a little bit off camera. No, I was gone. You couldn't even see the character anymore, so I was like, well, let's forget that. I repainted him white again, and just repainted here and there, especially his skin tone, using the very small brush. He doesn't have a very muscular tone, so it's really hard to see, but I did what I could. And he looks so grumpy too. Like, when I looked him up real close, he looks so grumpy. But he's pretty much done. I even tried to do the tiling, but I made it look two-dimensional, and it threw it off. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Later!